45 days to go from idea to first customer. I'll be building a website using AI and no code at all. If I fail, this project dies. But if I succeed, one of you will be getting this entire business for free. So if you plan on starting an online business, you should watch this video. Because as a founder who has done millions of dollars in sales online, I'm going to show you the actual marketing strategies that work when you're starting from zero. A website where Tesla owners will go and they can visualize custom wraps on their vehicle. And I'm not going to code any of it. AI is going to build the whole thing. The problem is that it's hard to visualize a wrap on your vehicle. You might find a wrap color you like, but it's not on your type of car. So you're stuck kind of guessing and figuring out what you think is going to look good. So this solution will use AI to generate images of the vehicle with that wrap on it, so you can see exactly how your car is going to look if you choose that wrap. This way they can choose which wrap they like the most and request a free quote. I'll send those as leads to the shops that do the custom wrapping of Tesla vehicles. The US market for vehicle wraps is over $2.4 billion. And a quick search of different keywords on Google, there's a lot of keywords that have low competition, so that means it will be easy to rank on Google for those search terms. There's also tons of Facebook groups of Tesla owners that I can promote it in. It also solves the problem for the shops that do the wraps. They want more customers and I can send them leads and they'll pay me for those leads. So this challenge started on December 1st, and I took the first 4 days to build everything out. So let's walk through the first 4 days of the challenge where I built the website. I went to ChatGPT to give me a good prompt. I put that prompt into Base 44, and that's the AI service that's going to be creating my website. It started off with a really crappy version, but I gave it a few extra prompts and turned it into something that looks awesome. Today I finished the website and it's ready for people to visit. And man, does it look awesome. Again, I didn't code any of this. AI did all of it. Here's all the changes I made today. I updated the icons so the cars actually look like cars when you're pressing the buttons. I added tons of different wraps. I had ChatGPT help me get all of the images and all the prompts for all of the wraps. It was easy as taking screenshots on the websites and putting it into ChatGPT and list off the names and prompts to generate the wrap. I fed all of that to Base 44 and it generated everything for me and works perfectly. Now there's over 100 wraps people can check out and apply to their Tesla car. I made it mobile friendly and I made it look good on desktop computers also. There are different parts of the website that were hidden or not clickable, and so I fixed all of those problems too. I also named my website findmywrap.com and I bought the domain for less than $8. The website's done and you can even visit it. Go to findmywrap.com and check it out. They can share it with friends and family and they can request a free quote. I updated the form for the free quote. I added how soon they want the installation done, so this way it tells the wrap shops how urgent the lead is and how qualified the lead is. I also realized if I'm going to be sharing images or other people are going to be sharing images, I should put a watermark on all of the images to help market my website. That way, if anybody sees the image, they'll also see findmywrap.com. I also realized if I get a quote, I have no way of knowing. So I added an admin panel that gives me all the quotes so I can send those to the shops. So everything is working and it's ready to go. After 4 days of building everything out with Base 44, I was ready to start marketing on day number 5. I got a lot done today, even though today is my birthday. And you know what? I got the best gift ever for my birthday. I got my first quote. I'll tell you more about that, but first, let me tell you everything I did today. I decided I want to make Reddit posts in any Tesla subreddit to let people know about this cool tool that I just built. Hopefully this will attract some visitors and get some engagement. I'm also going to be on Facebook and Reddit. I'm going to be looking for posts and comments. Anybody who wants to know what a wrap would look like on their Tesla or deciding between different colors, I'm going to generate the image for them and share it with them. This image will have a watermark of findmywrap.com on it, and that's just marketing right there. I made a post on Reddit that got over 1,000 views. I also went through some Cybertruck Facebook groups and found people who are looking for wrap ideas. So I commented on those group posts. I shared images and links to my website. I realized while I share those links, it doesn't get a preview of the website. It just looks blank. So I went back to Base 44 to help me out. Now it generates images as a preview whenever I share a link for one of the wraps and vehicles. I also went to Herefluence.com and set up an account so I can monitor different subreddits for any time anyone's ever looking for a wrap for a Tesla car. It scans certain subreddits and uses AI to see if anybody's talking about the problem that I solve. It has a really cool dashboard and lets me see what the post is, and I can easily visit that post and comment on it all within HereFluence. I've had people visiting the site all day long, so I know that my marketing's working, but I just have to keep going to get more quotes. So that lead that I got was very exciting. However, on the name it says testing, so I think somebody was just trying it out. But it does have a legit email, it does have a model, and it does have a wrap. It has a zip code, and it says that they want it done ASAP. So I just reached out to the email address and I asked them if this was a legit lead or not, so I can figure out whether or not to pass it off to a wrap shop. So hopefully that person will respond to me, and if they do, I'll let you know. Today I have good news and bad news. The good news is I got a quote later yesterday after I recorded this video. So now I got 2 quotes. And for the testing quote, they emailed me back and said they actually want one. So far I have 2 quotes already, and I just got started marketing. Now comes the bad news. I wanted to reach out to some shops that install the wrap, but I want to look a little bit more legit before messaging them. Instead of some random person emailing them asking them to buy a lead, I wanted to create a login on my website to make it look legit. This way they create an account and they can log in and see the lead and buy the lead online. The problem is I've been struggling getting this built using Base 44 all day. I can't even tell you how many hours I've been prompting this thing to get it to work. It got to the point where it just gave up and told me to contact support. Luckily, I was able to get it to keep deleting everything and retrying again until I eventually got it to work at about 5 o'clock tonight. So I haven't sent the leads to anybody yet, and now I can't even contact them because the day is over. So tomorrow I'm going to try again now that I have a section where they can log in, see the quote, buy the quote. I'm going to start contacting them. The only problem is it's Sunday. So I'm going to have to wait until Monday. And honestly, that's a little bit late to be sending a lead. Leads usually need to be followed up same day, and I'm sending them a lead that's 2 or 3 days late. Today's Sunday, so none of the wrap shops were open, so I couldn't try to sell any leads to them. Even though they weren't open, I still emailed them. I had 2 leads, so I emailed about 5 shops for each lead. So hopefully tomorrow I'll get a reply and I can sell a lead. The only other thing I did today was post on Reddit. I got a few thousand views and I got a new quote request. So I'll be following up with that tomorrow. So far I have 3 quotes, no money made, but a lot of encouragement and motivation because the quotes are starting to come in. I'm just doing simple things like posting on Reddit or commenting on Reddit posts, and it seems to be working. Today I had a new lead come in at about 1 o'clock in the morning. They gave me all the information with the wrap they needed, a phone number, they wanted to be texted, so I needed to go find some vendors to sell the lead to. After using Google to find some vendors, I decided to send them a text, seeing if they'd be interested. After a little while, nobody responded, so I decided to cold call them too. I cold called 4 of them and only 1 person picked up. It was the owner of the business, but I couldn't get her to sign up as a vendor. She mentioned getting scammed in the past and was a little hesitant to sign up. Later in the day, somebody responded to my text message and wanted the lead. I was super excited. I thought for sure I was going to sell the lead to this person. After exchanging a few texts with them, turns out that they were just trying to get the lead for free, or they just didn't trust me and they didn't want to sign up. So it looks like I know how to get quotes, I know how to contact vendors, but I don't know how to build trust with them. So that's the thing that I need to work on next. So I'm going to use AI to help me figure out exactly how I can build trust with these people, to give me some good ideas, so that way when I do try to sell them the lead, they're willing to at least sign up for the account. These are real leads they can make money off of, and I'm selling them for dirt cheap, so there's no reason for them not to buy the lead from me. One last thing that I did is I created a landing page for every quote. It shares the car model, what they're looking for, the estimated value of the quote, and a button at the bottom where they can claim the quote. I'm hoping this makes it easier for people to sign up as a vendor, and maybe it helps entice them a little bit to want to sign up and not miss out on the lead. I added a little bit of urgency by showing how many other people have viewed the lead, so that way it might make them want to sign up and get it. I tried making it look more valuable by putting an estimated value on it. So hopefully this helps at least build a little bit of trust, or at least enough urgency or FOMO to get them to sign up. The next 4 days, I wasn't able to get a single lead or sell any of the leads that I'd already gotten. This was the first time I started doubting myself and thinking that I was not going to be able to beat the challenge. I was running out of posts to comment on Reddit, and I didn't have any more posts I could make on Reddit myself. And nobody else in the Facebook groups were asking questions about wrap, so I had nothing to comment on. I was also questioning how I got those leads to begin with. Was it just beginner's luck, or maybe there were just a few conversations before, but they don't happen very often, so I'm not going to have more opportunities to promote findmywrap.com. Just wasn't sure. And then day 13 hit. Today I hosted a Christmas party at my house, so I didn't have a lot of time to work. I woke up a little bit after 6 a.m., got some coffee, and went straight to work. I made a few posts on groups inside of Facebook. I wrapped up pretty early, around 9:30, and I was done for the day. The rest of the time I had to spend getting ready for the party and getting everything set up around the house because we had a lot of people coming over. And right before the party started, I was checking my email and I saw that a lead came in. So lucky for me, I got the lead, and this can be the thing that helps me beat the challenge. The only thing is it's the weekend, and wrap shops are not open on the weekend. Certainly not tomorrow on Sunday. So I think I'm going to wait until Monday to reach out to them so that way my email doesn't get buried amongst any other email that gets sent out over the weekend. But I've learned a lot from the past leads and reaching out to people, so I think I have a really good strategy to sell this lead. I have that landing page where people can claim a lead and it makes it really easy for them to sign up for a vendor account. And I've refined some of the wording to make it make sense of why I'm reaching out to them, why they're getting a promotion. So I think I'm going to sell this lead. And I'm really hoping I do because I only have 12 days left. So I was back in business getting leads and I was ready for Monday so I could sell my first lead. I got my first customer! I finally finished the challenge. I beat it. I'm going to tell you all about it. So on Saturday, right before my Christmas party, I got a lead. And then again this morning, I woke up and got another lead. The one from Saturday, I couldn't sell. It was the one that I got this morning is the one that I sold. I was so locked in on wanting to get this thing sold so I can beat this challenge. I skipped the gym and I went straight to emailing every wrap shop I could find in the area and decided I needed to do some calls too. I had somebody help me with the calls. Ultimately, it's through the calls that sold the lead. The guy who was helping me out called the guy, talked to him. The guy was very interested, wanted to buy the lead. So he let me know. And then I sent the text to that landing page with the quote request. And then he went and purchased it like within 1 minute of me texting him. Now, I know it was only a $5 sale, but it proved that this business can work. And I did it all in 15 days, from absolutely nothing at all to a fully functioning website where you can visualize hundreds of different wraps on any Tesla vehicle, all the way through to getting quotes and selling one as a lead to a wrap shop. Lots of people try and they never get their first sale, but I walked through this whole process so you can learn exactly how you can do it, and I did it in 15 days. If I were to keep this long term, I would work on finding ways to get more people visiting the site on a regular basis. I would focus a lot on SEO and making sure I pop up with all the different search terms. I'd also partner with Facebook groups and be a sponsor to that group. I'd also be reaching out to influencers who talk about Tesla vehicles and see if I can get some sort of partnership with them too. But I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm either going to sell it or I'm going to give it away because I got enough stuff going on. I've got this YouTube channel and I've got my other businesses that take up all my time. And also, I want to get ready for next month because I'm going to be doing this every month. I want to pick a business idea, build it out, and get my first customer all within the first month so I can keep showing you guys that it's doable and how to do it. Overall, this was a very successful challenge. I had 25 days to beat it. I beat it in 15 days. I went from absolutely nothing to building a website fully functional without any code whatsoever to getting my first customer, all in 15 days. And as promised in the beginning of the video, I want to give this away for free since I beat the challenge. So subscribe to my channel and comment on this video, and I'll be picking one lucky person to take over this business and take it to new heights. I'm going to be doing this challenge again in January, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates and you can follow along and learn exactly how to do the same thing. Go from zero to your first customer.